Remove the heater door. To do that, keep the door in a closed position. Unscrew the 4 screws located inside the heater body, not on the door itself. Lift the door away. Place the door in front of you with the handle on your left. At the bottom of the door, locate the screws holding the door trim in place. Unscrew these screws and remove the trim to access the door glass. To remove the outer glass, slide it in the direction where the trim was originally located until it comes out. If the glass is broken, collect the shards carefully instead of dragging them. The inner glass can be removed simply by lifting it. When ordering a new door glass, a self-adhesive glass seal is included. Clean the new glass. Take the new glass seal and remove the protective film from the glue. Attach the new glass seal along the edge of the inner glass, ensuring the adhesive side is against the glass. It should slightly overlap the glass edge and does not require drying time. Leave the joint at the bottom edge. If needed, cut the seal to the needed length. Make sure there is no cap between the both ends of the seal. Insert the new inner glass into the door with the seal facing outward relative to the door. When the seal joint is facing you, the door handle should be on your left. Clean the outer glass. Don't use strong solvents to clean the glass, as it may damage the glass. Ensure that any surfaces that will not be accessible for future cleaning are as clean as possible. Once the outer glass is clean, slide it back into its groove in the same way it was removed. Reattach the door trim and secure it with screws. Reinstall the door. Make sure the hinges are not blocking the door to close. Lift the door into place while keeping it in a closed position. Secure the door to the heater using the same 4 screws removed earlier. For further questions, please visit our website HUUM.eu or contact your local reseller.